Welcome to another video. This video is all about the 5 businesses you can start up right away with little to no capital needed. So let's dive right in. The first business is a home catering business. A lot of people out there are creative. A lot of people are good masters, I should say, in the kitchen. So get putting your skill at work. Girl, grab that pot, go in your kitchen and start up something. All you need to do is advertise on whatever social media page you have going right now, or print a sign, put it on your door, tell a few neighbors, and that's how you get the word out there. All you might need to do is add a few things to your grocery list, and there you go. And your returns will be way bigger compared to the capital you need to start this business up. So get going and just get starting. If you are a master in the kitchen, this is where your skill come in. This is where your money, this is where everything can be better for you. The other business on my list was a online tutor. A lot of kids are right now home, stuck in the house with their parents who are already through and tired of teaching their own children. So you can easily start advertising on your social media page, or you can create a social media page just for this reason. You can go on YouTube, start a YouTube channel, maybe start posting videos there about small stuff, maybe English, maybe whatever subject, whatever area you're good at. Start there and you will see how people gravitate to you. You will see people start shooting out questions. Moms will start asking, can you teach my child? Can you teach them this? Can you teach them that? Whatever it may be, that is another way to make money, and this is your skill. You already know this, you already have this, so you don't have to go out there trying to find anything. And again, this takes little to no capital needed. Number 3 on my list, designing and printing t-shirts. A lot of people out there right now are doing this because it takes little to no capital to start up. All you need is a few printers, a few inks, and you can do this from your basement. You can do this from your garage. You can do this from your living room. You can even do this from your bedroom, because most of the printers, you can easily put them away after you're finished. The only thing with this business, it will take quality, it will take time, and it will take patience, because there are t-shirt companies out there. There are other people trying to do this, but if you know your standards, if you know your quality, and you can keep this up, if you can keep your price also at a reasonable rate, a lot of people will gravitate to you as well. And whenever you need to advertise your products, you already have what you need to advertise it on. So there's another win-win for you, and your returns, trust me, will outweigh your capital. Becoming a web designer. People, you know, you have gone to school, you have gotten this awesome degree that I wish I had, and now you're sitting on it. Are you for real? You know how much people out there wish they had somebody to create a website for them? You know how much people have already gone to and asked them price quotes on how much to build a website from scratch, and seen those quotes? Trust me. And all these people need is a proper internet, a proper computer, and there you go. So if you have gone to school, if you have even taught yourself how to create website from scratch, and you know you're good, get creating, get advertising, get branding yourself as a web designer, even to at least try to put out a few so you can show people what your work is like. But Advertise yourself and you will see how much people would rush to you. A lot of people out there right now would wish they could find a web designer that is reasonable, a web designer that just understand what they want and what they are envisioning for themselves, and just to start it up and get it running. So again, I tell you, put your skill to work. Don't sit on your degree. Don't sit on your skill. Don't sit on what you know when you know you could be making money from this. So here's another one as well. Starting a small clothing business. This may take a little bit more capital than the ones I have suggested before, but look at it this way. You might need about $500 to start up a business, maybe buy a few handbags, a few shirts, a few stuff like that. But then when you put your markup on these prices and you start selling them back, you're gonna see that you're gonna make a profit. It, yes, won't be as big as the ones that I've said before compared to their required capital, but it will still make money. We're in a world right now that every day something new comes out. Every day people want to be in the latest trend. So advertise your stuff. Create a page as well. Create all the social medias that you will need for this, and get advertising, girl. Wear your stuff. Go out. Show off your clothes. Show off what you have to offer. Hire models. As I said, this will require a little bit more than what I said, but the reward is great as well. So again, these are the 5 easiest companies to start up. All you need to do is get your notepads, get planning, get deciding on what you think is best for you, and you will see within a few months, you will, trust me, come back here and say, I'm so glad I watched your video. I'm so glad I took your advice. I'm so glad I went and started something, because today I'm able to spend my own money. Today I'm able to look at myself as a boss. Girl, boss your stuff up and get stepping. Start your business today. Tune in on my page next week and I'll have another video here. All you need to know about business. You will never, ever, ever have to wonder. You will never have to guess. You will never be left in the dark. Okay? Stay tuned, and I love you.